The Photoshop document we have created is not suitable for publishing in its current form. So we need to develop exports targeted at specific use cases. Let us begin with exporting a full-size version of the document suitable for print scenarios where you need a lot of resolution. Click on the Photoshop File menu and select Export and Export As. Set format to JPEG and quality to 100%. You can leave the other values as they are. Name the image and click Export to export it. Click on the Photoshop File menu again and select Export and Export As. Choose Format JPEG, but this time lower the quality to 80%. Also, change the width to 1024 and note that the height changes automatically to retain the correct aspect ratio. Name this file Photoshop Project Small to avoid overwriting the previous export. If we compare sizes, we will see that the original Photoshop document is 228 megabytes or thereabouts. The high-quality JPEG export is about 12 megabytes, and the lower quality export is only 340 kilobytes. This makes it ideal for most web uses. You can create as many exports as you need, so you always have an appropriately sized file for whatever need might arise. The JPEG format is ideal for most online use cases because it is compact and lightweight and viewable on any device or platform. However, it does have one drawback, and that is it does not preserve transparency. Often we want to use images with transparency, both in digital and print. And for that we have the PNG format. To demonstrate how to export to PNG with transparency intact, let us switch to the image of our student subject that we worked on in Step 7. In Photoshop, click on the tab named Subject. From the Photoshop File menu, choose Export and Quick Export as PNG. Name the file and choose a location, then click Save to save it. We have now created a transparent image containing only our student subject. This will come in handy when you need a picture with an isolated subject on a transparent background. Always keep the Photoshop source file denoted by the PSD extension safely stored so you can come back and make edits and new exports in the future. The final task before we close Photoshop is to save the original project document once again. Click on the Photoshop Project tab and then press Command-S on a Mac or Control-S on a PC to save it.